tie it in the green banana leaf so that it can be boiled in water for at least an hour.
So what are those banana some peels for? What are they for?
These are to tie the material of the ducunu in the banana leaves, the green banana leaves. We use
Okay.
this to wrap round and tie them.
Okay.
So at least that is a process. It's not just like that. And you got to go stage by stage so you can get it properly done.
Okay.
Then it will be boiled in water
Okay.
for at least an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour. That should be okay.
Well, we have another bag, yeah. Let us see. Oh, the key can't. Oh, I'm going for one now. So we're in the process of digging the cocoa, which is right in my backyard.
Beer.
Oh, look at that, people.
Look at them beer fat.
Wow. Right in my backyard.
Can you imagine?
Can you imagine?
Right.
Right in my backyard.
Now the cook of them beer, so them beer run. Them beer, you know? Watch out, them beer, you know? Watch
Look
out.
at that, people. Wait, we not see it. Look at
Nah, you see
that.
them beer, you know? Watch out. You must say it's them beer, no, man.
Watch out again. Why?
Come on, cook this. It's ahead.
Oh, for the crocodile.
Take a plant back, take a plant back this.
Guys, I say, no, I don't know nothing about them in my life, you know. I never know the crocodile.
Yeah, man, that's set place, see that you can. So, the plant is too much. Take a bus, you know. I'm one tree grow up.
All right, so, oh my gosh.
Yeah. Cook them beer, how far? And well beer. You put them back, yeah?
Woo.
Cook them beer, how far?
Guys, look what I got from my own backyard. So we're going to use some for soup making. And we're also going to use some for the Blu Drawz. AKA Dukunu. Yardman style. Well, Yarduman style. Look at that.
Real cook them still, you know? You must have genuine thing, man. Them have black commander. They don't have solid. You know, commander?
Nope. Not.
But the bottom is different. So when you going to get on them, I know. But them? Yeah, you see, but the pint on the bottom, and the cocoa itself, the solid them have a pint. The black commander, flat. Yeah, black commander, flat.
Well, YouTube gonna learn something today about cocoa.
One name Sally and one name Commander.
One name Sally and one name Commander.
The Sally cocoa is actually, alright, the Sally cocoa is actually, they're normally bigger, you know, but on the pint there, on the bottom of that cocoa, the Sally has a pint. Now the black commander, which is the original cocoa, the button on the bottom is actually flat. So that's where you can detect the difference between both of them.
Okay. So people, we're setting up the coal fire now. The old traditional way, using charcoal.
Right.
So this is the pot that they used back in the days, and that's what we're going to use today.
So we gotta put in something like then I'll look up the zinc on
Zinc?
I can.
Hold on. one piece of zinc to put at the bottom so the charcoal doesn't seep through. So make sure we're mixing the cocoa and the potato so there's an even distribution. So we mix and we mix and we mix. Oh, this is beautiful. There are some things that are just so beautiful. Let me see if I can get a good shot.
Yeah.
This is gorgeous. So you put something plastic,
Plastic, candle bag or whatever it needs.
any form of plastic. Oh,
So yeah, will it pay that's some master?
There's a blow. My freezer a blow on.
careful of the breeze and the fire. Be careful.
Hey, another matches.
I did that much better than the matches.
I didn't have it.
You like that one?
I like how I'm gonna put on.
One time when I was a boy, see? I light a piece of jug and I watch that whoop, whoop, whoop. You know what I mean? And it dropped right from the two I saw.
Melt down by your door.
Drop from the two
I bet you have not done that since.
No, you know it again.
Okay.
You want running, you want balling, you want water, you want everything.
That was when he was a child.
A child.
He acted as a child, he spake as a child. Now he becomes a man. Put away
The child
child
is
things.
still again. That the light, you know?
Put the lesson.
Nice.
Put the lesson. You feel that?
Top up.
Oh, come on, plant yours. Put
No,
on cross piece for it, man.
No, man. No, man. It's alright, man.
So that level.
Wait, Nally.
So these are our ingredients for today. We have our nutmeg, we have our vanilla, we have a little bit of cinnamon powder, and of course our cornmeal or sugar, and a little rose water. We have the butter, of course. All right, so we're gonna go ahead to sort out these nutmeg. So we added the nutmeg already. Now we're going to add the vanilla.
Rose water.
So we're going to add the rose water and some coconut
Alright. Alright, we'll put the more in here.
and and
the
some
coconut milk.
rich coconut milk.
Been added. Name brand.
Like that?
Ruby.
Wow,
brand,
it's so
Ruby.
creamy.
That's on current
Show them the
book.
coconut in.
That's on current book. Name brand. Ruby.
Okay.
Ideal for Indian.
And this is not a paid ad.
Original and Caribbean recipes.
Alright, where's leave now? Cinnamon powder. It is just cinnamon.
Where's my sugar?
Cinnamon. I put
Okay.
cinnamon in there?
How can I cinnamon this?
Make
Yeah,
it-
man, I can
it's
put
strong enough?
cinnamon. Yes, yes.
Adding our cinnamon powder.
Whoops.
That one come more though.
No, don't worry.
Okay.
You put the butter in there already? Put the butter in
And
there.
the flour. And the flour in there.
So pinch the butter. Right. This reminds me so much of when my grandmother, the great Miss Alma, she used to do a lot of baking. She used to bake buns and pudding, gizzada, toto, and all of that. It was so good. So this reminds me of that. Adding the sugar
No,
now.
water, man. Have you water now? This is too
We're
dry.
going to add a little water because it looks a little dry.
Where's all it?
Butter.
Okay, sugar.
So we're gonna do a little tasting test in a bit, just to ensure that all the batter is mixed properly and everything is okay. I will do the tasting, of course.
I will have.
Yeah, taste too much, yeah?
What?
Alright. That's the
Sugar,
sugar.
you know.
That's the sugar.
I put a little bit more of that in there already, you know.
Keep going, man. Because I'm not used to the reason, man.
You have a little rum in it, me have a little rum in it. No, oh yeah, yeah.
You need to come out of man.
You can man, spoil up this thing here.
No, I'm looking for taste of salt. Looking for taste of salt. Mix out now. Mix out now. Mix out now.
Around the walls of Jericho, around. So we're about to add the flour.
Yes. No, it's Russian.
Alright, so this is what it should look like, guys. Guys, we're preparing the banana leaves. This is what we will use to wrap the ducunu.
Yeah, wait the final taste before everything.
What else do I want?
So we have to cut them up in the correct proportions, and then we have to ensure that it is clean.
And ready for production.
Yeah,
Alright, so guys, we have these things prepared. The banana leaves are ready. The batter is ready. So we're just putting in the Blu Drawz now. Putting them in the boiling water so they can come to a boil. Hopefully all of them will hold. More can hold.
Because them have a swell, don't it? We not put no more night in.
We are ready to see the end results of this one right here. Ooh. Guys, if you can smell that.
Beautiful.
I wrapped this one, by the way.
It's boiling. I want to boil. It's boiling, man. Real hot, you know? Drinking hot.